Right, good evening everyone, welcome back to the channel, thank you for stopping by. Like I always say, I do genuinely appreciate it. I think I started doing this about 2 months ago, and somehow I managed to get 135 subscribers, which I didn't think I'd even get one subscriber, but thank you for all those that have subscribed. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and any comments or questions you have got, please leave them down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Right, I'd like to talk about VeChain again today because there's another article that's just come up on my feed just before I have my dinner. So we'll go through this quickly. I'll start off by going through the crypto market as a whole. We've got a market cap of 804 billion, a 24-hour trading volume of 29 billion, and Bitcoin dominance sits at 40%. Not much movement in the market really. It's that time of year, it's between Christmas and New Year, not a lot of people, definitely institutions won't be trading this time of year. They're all off skiing and whatnot, and retail traders, I don't know, they'll be buying up little bits and pieces, but it's all fairly flat across the board. Onto VeChain itself, it's trading at 1.5 cents, 0.0158, not much movement at all. Got a market cap of 1.15 billion. 72.5 billion in circulation, so that's 84% of the total circulating supply. Let's have a look through the sentiment. It appears to be fairly bullish across the board. There's one bear, isn't it? Some tinfoil hat thing about Chinese government or whatever, digital ID. I don't know. If it makes money, I don't care. So anyway, onto the article. It's on Crypto Newsflash. VeChain Going Big, building an Inventory Monetization Platform 3.0 with NFTs, Web3 features, and DeFi. Excuse me. The Inventory Monetization Platform 3.0 by SYME and VeChain will have a roadmap for upcoming Web3 features. It will basically include digital ownership, B2B marketplaces, insurance of NFTs, DeFi, and a governance protocol. Blockchain enterprise specialist VeChain Foundation is taking some key initiatives in a strategic collaboration with SupplyMe Capital. The two players entered a collaboration earlier this year in June to build a first-of-its-kind Web3 inventory monetization system which will leverage blockchain, stablecoin, and the NFT tech, thus helping creditworthy businesses raise the value from its investors. As per the latest project development, the project has entered Phase 2, which involves the creation of an Inventory Monetization Platform 3.0, along with an expected roadmap for Web3 features. This includes additional stuff like digital ownership, B2B marketplaces, insurance of NFTs, DeFi, and a governance protocol. So if they've entered Phase 2 and a roadmap for Web3 due to be published soon, none of this is financial advice. I believe that it's, personally I'm getting as much as I possibly can because I see this as a top 10 crypto in the coming years. It's got a relatively small market cap, so even a double, I don't even want to contemplate how high it could go, but it's got plenty of room for growth. This phase of development also includes a token that would help to boost the investments in inventory monetization transactions performed via the Web3 route. The agreement between VeChain Foundation and SupplyMe Capital involved two phases of technology development and investment opportunities. The first phase offered proof of concept compromising inaugural transaction, which was successfully implemented on the 12th of September 2022. Now, Phase 2 will look at creating Inventory Monetization Platform 3.0 with Web3 features. The second phase will involve the VeChain Thor public blockchain to mint physical and digital NFTs. The inventory monetization transaction will also be funded by multiple liquidity providers, including retail investors and crypto asset managers. So this is all quite exciting stuff, and I think that if you're not involved in VeChain, I think you're sleeping on it. I think this is genuinely a sleeping giant. I know there's quite a few people that do believe in this. There's quite a few large YouTuber channels that I do follow that speak about this quite regularly. Even if it's not their main holding, which it's not my main holding, but it's one of the ones I'm looking to build upon. Anyway, the Phase 2 of collaboration. The second phase of this project between VeChain Foundation and SupplyMe Capital will involve the assessment and innovative process linking digital assets to the real economy. SupplyMe Capital said they are working with VeChain in order to improve the automation between the platform and VeChain Thor blockchain services. So there's some tweets here, just going through what I've already read. As said, it would also unlock the opportunity to involve several liquidity providers with IM transactions. As a result, SYME is compiling a portfolio of potential client companies from its global pipeline to monetize approximately $50 million of inventory. Besides, SYME has also approached the leading market DAO and Centrifuge Commodities to further explore funding IM transactions using Centrifuge protocol to access liquidity through DeFi. Another development, a major development in Phase 2, will be the creation of a governance protocol along with other blockchain advisors. SYME has produced a strategic paper on the launch of the governance and utility tokens, which will boost investments into IM transactions through Web3 route. Speaking on the development, Sunny Liu, CEO of VeChain, said, "We're always looking to join hands with innovative companies pushing the fall of digital technology. VeChain has demonstrated its ability to dream up and subsequently deploy new ideas and ecosystems that harness the revolutionary power of blockchain. We recognize the same potential in SupplyMe and their novel TradeFi DeFi inventory management service. We look forward to working with them to co-develop these new systems and provide businesses with an entirely new method of raising value from inventory monetization." I'll link the article down below. I've not read anything by this guy, but he seems to be providing solid information. He likes to read thriller fiction novels and sometimes explores his culinary skills. There's a nice little bit of trivia about the author. So if we go to the VeChain chart, not much movement. We did break below that line of support, but we've pushed back up. So we've got like a hammer there. Looks like we're going to close on that today. Could be a reversal bar. Not entirely sure. How long we've got? We've got 4 hours till midnight, so we'll see how that bar closes. At the moment, it's so flat. I'm not really taking anything on crypto technically, unless you're looking at Bitcoin, which I believe has got enough liquidity and volume going through it to make it worthwhile with trading. What am I seeing here? There's no divergences, so we've made a lower low today, but it's not a confirmed lower low because we're not closed below yesterday's low. So I'll read into that what you will. As long as we're in this region here, I see this as I constantly say, I know I'm repeating myself, as an accumulation zone. What is my red? A moving average. Let me just check the settings. I've forgotten what the settings are. The red is the 100. So the 100 is starting to flatten off slightly on the daily. It is above the 50, which is bearish, but it is starting to flatten off. So the less it's sloping down, the more bullish the chart looks to me. But as I say, I'm more interested in accumulating than trading. So once again, thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. If any of you that haven't subscribed, if you could do so, drop a like. Any questions, comments, please leave them down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. I wish you all a wonderful evening. Take care of yourselves and goodbye for now.